Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the basic functions of Excel that we are using in daily life. That is to find the sum, average and count. I have already mentioned the name of material, price per unit, the quantity in the column. So first of all, we have to find the total sales that is required for material A. So how we will find? Here we have to put a formula that is equal to, this is C4, the cell C4 into D4, then enter. So we will here we are getting 200, that is 20 into 10 is 200. Now to find the next one, we will just drag down till the cell E13. This is E13. So we got the product. Now to find out the sum of these, we'll apply a formula that is equals to, then E4. This is E4. Sum in the bracket E4 colon E13. This is E13. We'll apply, bracket close and enter. So we are getting the sum of these from E4 to E13. So from material A to J, we already got the sum. Now we'll take the average. For taking an average, we'll apply a formula that is equal to, type average, then in the bracket, we'll write E4 colon E13, because we have to find the average till the column 13. Taking the count, we'll apply formula equal to count in the bracket E4 colon E13, bracket close. So we got 10. That is from E4 to E13. The total count is 10. Thank you.